Hi, this is Val from Mainway Solutions. I'm working on a 2017 Polaris XCR. So this is the rear crank out of one. Biggest problem with these things is bushings and tolerances. The tolerances are just, I don't know, they're out to lunch. These are the OEM bushings that were in it, and basically they just push in there like so. This is the axle that was in it. They're not that bad. The anodizing is wore off. They probably wore about 5 or 10 thou, maybe. But anyways, what the biggest problem here is the fit. The fit on these bushings and axles is just way too loose. Like, they just rock and roll all over the place. So this goes the same with at this position over here, which is the mid section of that crank. The bottom arm goes down to the rail. So even with those bushings in it, so these are the bushings that would be in this position here, like in the mid, and this is exactly the type of movement that you would get in this. And the rocking, you know, side to side like this, that's how it works. I'm not going to pull that apart right now. I'm just going to show you how this bushing gets installed, and the other two positions are pretty much straightforward. Just going to tap this one out here. Now this bushing has, from it pounding, it's actually opened this aluminum arm up a bit. So this, to actually put a bushing in here, I would recommend to put just a touch of blue Loctite on there and roll the bushing in. Just roll it in like that. It fits fine, it just turns. I don't want it to turn. The inside bushing is a little better, but that's what we're trying to accomplish here. So these are the axles that are actually in this position here. This is what we're after here. There's like 20 thou clearance here now. There's absolutely no rocking, like you can see it here, zero rocking. So I've accomplished that there, all four of these pivot points. In turn, the suspension is going to ride a lot smoother. See how that just popped out of there? This needs to be Loctited in there, and it wouldn't take much. Just a little bit of blue Loctite. You just roll it in, and that'd be fine. The OD is absolutely perfect. The ID of this arm is out a bit. So just moving forward here a little bit, and we're going to look at this pivot point right here. This is right down at the rail. So this is the, actually this is the wrong axle for that. The other one is steel, but it's exactly the same. You can see the anodizing has come off of this. This has come off. This axle is from the front arm. But this is the bushing that came out of the arm and the front arm. Like, this is how they engineer these things. That's absolutely atrocious. Like, there's no way that I would run around with a snowmobile with bushings like so. This is the new bushing that I make. One-piece bronze bushing. And this is the type plays in it. Like, this thing fits nice. So I pressed this bushing down here in the arm, and this is what we end up with. This kit also comes with a there we go. This kit also comes with a shim to go in between here to take up that space, because when this is on the arm, it's going back and forth about that much. So with two shims on each side, I've eliminated like 3/4 of that slop in there. These bushings are self-lubricating, so we can apply the grease to them when we first do the assembly. After that, they'll lubricate themselves. If we take them apart once a year, put a little bit of lube on them, or just even put some oil on them, they'll absorb the oil and they'll run nice and free. Anyways, if you have any questions, please send them to me. That's at val@mainwaysolutions.ca. You can call me anytime at 905-719-6515. Thanks for watching.